Alright, we are opening this next package of the Pop and Pet Season 2. I have not yet finished collecting from Season 1. I'm still looking for King Ocean. And so that's fun. Hopefully one day I'll get him. But for now, I'm out of luck. Alright, so we have got Goblin, which is a dupe. So I'm going to put my dupes over in this one so we don't lose any of their pieces. So far I have 3 dupes, which isn't too crazy for me grabbing as many as I could. Bluey! So cute. Bluey. We have Joe, which I love because I love coffee. I'm going to be using this one immediately. And I love it sparkling. Like, how can you be mad? It smells like coffee. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah. I could tell you, like, it took all that was in me not to, like, just, like, wipe out the entire display. So, I didn't. Interesting. Butterscotch. Just one more in this package, and then we'll move on to the final one. Ooh. We got Macintosh apple. The worm sticking out of it's a little alarming. I would not eat something that contained a worm, but to each their own. Alright, time for the last one.